couchwasabis, this is Jirbie from Couchwasabi. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you another EO Spotlight video, and this time it's going to be Young Living's White Angelica oil. This is not really a popular oil, but I want you guys to get to know this because I think it's really nice. So if this is something that you'd want to see, please keep watching. So let's just refer to this book as regards to what White Angelica is. I recently got this book and it's very helpful. This is worth $56, or that's about 3,000 pesos, and it contains all Young Living oils and blends in the dictionary format. But what's special about this is that it contains all the other Young Living products as well, and their description and what it's for. So here, alright, so White Angelica increases and strengthens the aura around the body to bring a renewed sense of strength and protection, creating a feeling of wholeness in the realm of one's own spirituality. Its frequency neutralizes negative energy and gives a feeling of security. Ingredients, or what's inside this oil, is sweet almond oil, bergamot, myrrh, geranium, royal Hawaiian sandalwood, that's rare, ilang-ilang, another rare oil, coriander, black spruce, melissa, another expensive oil, hyssop, and rose, super expensive oil. Alright, so since it has bergamot, there can be possible sun sensitivity, so be careful in using this neat under the sun. Okay, so let me just take a whiff. But I really love this oil. I've used this quite a lot. It smells so good. To be honest, this smells better than Hong Kwai. If you need something to make you feel instantly better, like when you're stuck in a rut and you're feeling really down and maybe you're in the crossroads of your life, and then pick up this oil and then take a whiff. Or maybe another application is that you put it on your shoulders, at the base of your neck, and behind your neck. So you create sort of a shield around you from negative energy. So this is a really good oil. It always makes me feel better when I'm feeling down. I think I've mentioned this in some of my other videos. I've been quite on a roller coaster ride these past few months since Coco's passing, since my grandfather's passing. There has been a lot of emotions and I guess phases of my life that I had to go through, and so there are things that I had to stop or take a break from, and there are things that I try to I guess rebuild right now. And so I'm in the constant search for, I guess, oils or support from people and things around me. And this one is one of the oils that I really like recently. I ordered this for my November ER. No, actually no, I ordered this for my October ER, which we also used during the Harry Potter workshop. I'm sure the students loved it, and I've been using it since. So basically, your White Angelica is an emotional support powerhouse. It's like a hug in a bottle, which is really true, and it brings a sense of strength and protection against feelings of uncertainty and negativity. So as I've said earlier, if you're stuck in a rut, if you feel that you're in the crossroads of your life, or there are big decisions that you need to make and you're just not sure if you should go with it, or you should take a break from it, maybe you would want to try White Angelica, and it would help you, I guess, clear your mind, clear your inhibitions, and give you a better, I guess, deciding point. Okay? It's great for emotional clearing. You can put it on the shoulders, at the back of your neck, and on your chest. So that's what I've said earlier. These are the 4 points of the body to create an energy field of protection around you. This oil is used by a lot of energy workers, meaning massage therapists, Reiki masters, acupuncturists, and many professionals that talk to them about life problems. There's a saying that these people, these acupuncturists, massage therapists, Reiki masters, whenever they engage with the client, there's an energy exchange that's going on between the client and the therapist. So the negative, I guess, feelings and energies of the client would have the possibility to transfer to the therapist. That's why it's useful that they kind of do this, apply this on their body to protect themselves from, I guess, absorbing all those negative energies. White Angelica is recommended for feelings of disharmony, greed, loneliness, rejection, shame, weakness, and overall feelings of emotions that's too deep and heavy. Yeah, so it's actually a powerhouse. I mean, all those negative energies, lahat ng bad vibes, can basically try to kick it out with White Angelica. For me, my personal experience with this is that I feel so much calmer. There are days that I just have negative thoughts. I just feel so bad sometimes. And I try to, I guess, distract myself with hobbies. And I try to, I would say, protect or uplift myself with essential oils, or I guess reaching out to people that I'd feel I'd have a good conversation with that's far from what I'm thinking. So this is one of the oils that I really, really like since I got it. I guess bergamot is really making me feel uplifted. I'm not sure about sandalwood, but in this blend, I can sense bergamot more than the other oils. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed today's EO Spotlight video. If you have any other essential oils that you would like me to feature, don't forget to leave them down through the comments. I've been away for quite some time. I'm really busy these days for Capricorn Dreams. We're actually launching a lot of products for the holidays. I think we will be having like 5 new products for the holidays. I hope you guys stay tuned for that. And I guess that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!